welcome back to DIY Fun Ventures. Today I got something new for you guys. I'm going to try to repair my windshield. I have a small crack on the windshield and we're gonna try to repair it today. This happened about a year ago and I finally got something from Timu. It's a special resin that's supposed to help with the crack. So we'll try to do this right now. So I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. It's a small crack. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna try to fix this right now and we'll see if it works out. Hopefully I don't make it worse. Alright, well, let's get going, let's get it done. Alright, well, here we are outside. This is where our crack is. So the direction says just make sure clean it really well. So there we go. There it is. Alright, so here is that thing that I got from Timu. Honestly, I don't even know the name. It just says for windshield repair. Don't let the children use it, blah blah blah. But I don't see the name. But I will leave a link in the description below so you guys could check it out. So the direction says windshield crack repair kit. Right, so clean the glass, apply the resin. When the crack disappears, cover it quickly until all cracks are repaired. I don't know what it means here. I'm assuming it says apply pressure from underneath so the air could come out from the cracks. Use UV light, which I don't have, so I'm gonna go under the sunlight after this and hopefully that helps. 10-30 minutes, then we're gonna scrape it and it's gonna be like this. Perfect. So let's do this now. So I opened the top and it looks like we're gonna have to break off this little tip. So I broke off the tip and now we're gonna try to apply to this carefully. Yeah, I don't know if this is working or not. I know it's all going all over my windshield now. I guess let's cover it with well, alright, let's try this again. Alright, I'm gonna do this one more try, or one more time. I mean, I don't understand, man. It doesn't, I mean, it's there, yeah, I guess. The crack seems like it's more from within inside somehow. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yes, it's there. I don't think this is gonna work without any special machine that would put pressure in there, you know. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, well, I followed the instructions. I covered, I tried to push that liquid inside of those cracks and then covered it with this special plastic thing that they gave. And now we're gonna go park under the sun for next 10 to 30 minutes and see if anything changes. But I don't think anything is gonna change from this. Okay, well, here we are. As you can see, I made a boo-boo. So this is where the crack was and still is. But, oh my gosh. But most of it got repaired. I haven't cleaned it yet. We have to wait for another 20 minutes or so. It is difficult to...
Photo storage is full. Cannot take more photos.
Okay. Can you guys see? I mean, it's really difficult to see right now. But yeah, as I was saying, I made a boo-boo. So I decided to press on this area a little bit, hoping that maybe I could open a crack just a bit so that liquid could go in. But me being stupid, because I don't think you could actually press the glass to open a crack and not open a new crack inside of it. So yeah, I got this small line that opened up and another one that opened up this way. So never press on a glass that has a crack in it because you're gonna make it worse. But besides the point, so what I think is happening is that this crack on the outside, it had a gash. Like I could feel it with my fingerprint. And when I put this resin in, I can't see those thick lines anymore. So it covered all the big openings. I can see that from here. And I can see that crack, you could barely see it now. But I think the line that continues is not it's like within inside layer. It's not on the outside, because no matter how much I put the resin on, it doesn't get inside of the crack itself, unless if I had some sort of a maybe pressure device that would pressurize and press that into the cracks. It doesn't go in. Or maybe again it's an inner layer of the glass that's cracked now, because it happened when I pressed from here, from within. But I can't feel anything with my nails, so I don't know if that means anything. But again, I can tell that initial big crack got much smaller and better. And if I wasn't stupid enough, if I didn't press from here so hard, then I wouldn't have added this additional crack. And again, I can't feel it from outside, and adding that resin didn't do anything. I can still see it. It's super tiny, but it's a long line like this, and another one going down like this. In about 10 more minutes, I'm going to clean up this resin and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, well, now it's time to start removing the plastic layers. 1, 2, 3. I can see there's this layer on it, so we should be able to, oh look, it just comes off like this. Wow, it's pretty hard too. Interesting that just a little bit of it went all over. It's this super thin, I don't even know what to call it. It's weird material. Let's Let's see. Wow. Oh wow, it's pretty strong, man. And I'm struggling cleaning this. Ooh. Okay. Oh, see? No, I don't know if you guys can see it now. Where is it? Right here. So, as I suspected, it seems like, so the top portion right here that we had a crack, that got covered except this little one. The rest seems to have filled in, but then everything else, this rest of this crack seems to be like underneath the layer. So not all of it got fixed. The inner portion of the glass didn't get fixed. The outer portion got actually fixed, so it doesn't seem so thick. Let's check it out from within. Hey guys, here we are. I don't know if you guys can see. There's just a little bit of this small thing left over there, but most of the crack is gone. Huh. Here we are from outside, and there's that little dot that's left over. I mean, it didn't penetrate so deep for whatever reason. I don't know why that little dot wouldn't go away, but most of the crack is gone. So my final observations, again, the long line that I created when I was pressing the glass within, inside, that did not go away. The deep gouges that I had here, those are gone, so I can barely see the crack. It's more of a hairline crack now, and which I think is also a continuation of the inner layer. And this little shiny thing, I think that's from within, because even with the razor I cannot touch it. So all in all, the repair went okay, not counting what I did when I pressed, the glass within, the additional crack that I made when I pressed on the glass. Alright everyone, so my verdict, it did a pretty decent job, okay? I could see that crack so much more before the repair. Now what I see is that the outer area, the outer layer that was cracked, that one got fixed, so that thick line is almost gone. What's left is that inner area, the new crack that I created. This is not an outside glass, so that resin has no way of getting into that crack and repairing it. But the main one that I actually had got mostly repaired. It looks like whatever hit me, it made a small crack on the outside, but then the pressure went into the inner layer and it cracked the inner layer. That's why the resin fixed the outside thick crack, but this inner hairline is still showing. You could barely see it, but it is there. But yeah, that crack is almost That's how you fix your windshield. And please don't do what I did. Don't press your glass from within, or else you'll make more damage. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you learned something, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate your help. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.